Hello students, today we will do remaining questions of exercise 1.3 of class 9. So here we have question number second. You are given value of 1 by 7 in this form and you have to find out value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 but without long division. That means you can't find out value of these number by long division. That means you have to find out value of these numbers by using this given value. So now let's start. How can we find out value of these number by using this value? So first number is 2 by 7. And this number we can write it this number in this form. 2 by 7 we can write this number as 2 multiply 1 by 7. Now put the value of 1 by 7 which is given in the question. So if we put here in the place of 1 by 7 0.142857 and bar. Bar means this digit is repeating after decimal again and again. So in the short form we will write bar on these number which are repeating. So we can find out value of this number by multiply these two numbers. So let's do the multiply. 7 to the 14, remainder will be 1, then 5 to the 10 and 1 11, remainder will be 1, 8 to the 16 and 1 7, remainder will be 1, 2 to the 4 and 5, 4 to the 8, 2 1 the 2, and here we have decimal and then bar. So this is the value of 2 by 7 by using this value. Next 3 by 7. Similarly, we can write 3 by 7 as 3 multiply 1 by 7. Now put the value of 1 by 7, 3 multiply 0.142857 and then bar. Now similarly we can multiply these two numbers and then after this we will get value of this number. So this is our value of 3 by 7. Similarly we can find out value of 4 by 7. So this is our question number 2. Next question is you have to change a number in the P by Q form. In the question number 3rd, we have 3 parts. So first part is 0.6 bar. You have to change this number in the form of P by Q, where Q will not be equal to 0. So first of all, what will we do here? Just suppose this number equal to x. First of all, let the number is equal to x. Now we will remove this bar. Bar means number is repeating again and again. So we can write this number as 6, 6 and dash, dash, dash because this is repeating infinite times. So we can suppose that this is our first equation. Next step is multiply, or we can say this is equal to this one. Suppose this equation as equation number 1. Next step is multiply both sides of first by 10. This is our main step of this question. If after decimal we have 2 digits which are repeating, then we will multiply by 100. And if after decimal here we have 3 digits which are repeating again and again, then we will multiply by 1000. So here we have just one number which is repeating again and again. So that's why we will multiply here by 10. So now multiply equation number 1 by 10. If we multiply this number by 10, then it will be equal to 6.6 and dash, dash, dash. So let's suppose this is equation number 2. Next step is subtract equation number 2 by first. Subtract equation number 2 by first. This is our equation number second and this is equation number first. In the left hand side just subtract these two terms and in the right hand side subtract these two terms. So in left hand side we have 10x minus x and in the right hand side we have subtract 0.66 and dash dash. So here we will get equal to 9x and in the right hand side after the decimal when we subtract these terms we will get 0 and before the decimal we have 6 and 0, so we will get here just 6. So we can write 6.0 as just 6. So x will be equal to 6 by 9 which will be equal to 2 by 3. So the form of P by Q of this number is equal to 2 by 3. So this is our part number first. Now we will do part number second. Number is 0.001 and bar. So first step is, let us suppose this number is equal to x and here we have bar upon 3 numbers and just remove the bar, then we will write here 001, 001 and dash dash dash, and this is our first equation. We will follow the same method which we have already done in part number first. Next step is multiply both sides by 1000 because here we have bar upon 3 digits, that's why we will multiply by 1000. If here we have 2 digits, then we will multiply by 100. So now do the multiplication. In left hand side if we multiply by x and in right hand side we will write as multiplication, we will get 1000x and in right hand side it will be equal to 1.001, 001, 001 and 1000. Multiply this number by 1000, then we will get this number. This is our equation number second. Next step is subtract equation number second by equation number first. In left hand side we have 1000 minus x and right hand side 001, 001 and subtract this number 0.001. In left hand side when we subtract 1000 minus 1 then we'll get 999 and in right hand side just do the calculation 1.001001. If you subtract these two numbers after the decimal we have same number, that's why we will write here 0 and in left hand side we have 1. So our final answer will be 1.0 and we'll write it equal to 1. And in left hand side we have 999. So x will be equal to 1 by 999. So this is our P by Q form of this number. Next question is classify the number in the form of rational and irrational. Classify the number in the form of rational and irrational numbers. So first part is square root of 23. Square root of 23. Here we will use one condition that if in square root we have a prime number, then its division will not be terminate and will not be repeating. In our last lecture we have already discussed about the terminating and non-terminating and also the form of terminating and non-terminating. Let's do one small revision. Rational when a number is terminating but non-terminating but requiring, these two types number are goes to in the form of rational, and irrational number when they are non-terminating and non-requiring, then they are irrational. And if we have a prime number in the square root, then its division will not be terminate and will not be repeat. So it will be a irrational number. Second part is you are given just a answer 0.3796. Just say this is a rational or irrational. As we can say that division is finished here. This is a terminate number and terminating number is a rational number. So we can say that this number is a rational number. Okay.